Welcome to NCCD360. In this video, we'll walk through the platform together so you can feel confident navigating the system in your day-to-day work. Let's start at the beginning. In this video, I'll show you how to search for a student and view a student profile. On the home page, you'll see your school name displayed at the top of the screen. In the top right corner, you'll find your personal account details. Next to it, there's a button that allows you to expand the platform into full screen mode for a more comfortable workspace. At the center of the page, you'll see the Find a Student search bar. You can search for a student by typing their name or student ID. Once you search, a preview of the student will appear in the results list. This preview gives you quick access to basic information. If you want to explore further, click Action. This will open the student profile. Inside the student profile, you'll find all information related to that student, including applications, activities, attachments, reports, IEPs, and any groups the student belongs to. From here, you can review the student's records and continue managing their documentation. You're now ready to start exploring student profiles. In the next video, we'll continue through the platform and cover the next steps.